quickly see a report of the Google Ads performance in GA4. And I say quickly because I want to just do this in a few steps. I don't want to generate a report that I can revisit again. I want to just go into the platform and see numbers of how a Google Ads campaign is doing in GA4. Now the prerequisite here, you have to have GA4 linked to your Google Ads account where that campaign is located. Okay, so let's go over here. So this is the main interface, of course. This is the main homepage of GA4. Go over to reports on the left side, right? There's that menu here. It's the second option typically, reports. Go over to acquisition and then traffic acquisition. Okay. Now this is the default view. It will be session, primary, channel, group, and it'll show you data and user session, engaged sessions, all the way to event count and conversions. Conversions are now known as key events. So it'll show you everything from organic all the way to cross network to paid search and organic video. If you want to specifically see a Google Ads campaign here, the way that you do that is you push the down button here, and then you just go to session campaign. Okay, now here's Google Ads right here. So this is the Performance Max campaign. And now here's where you can see data about it. Now, of course, if these are too many kind of columns, right, you can go here. Oh, I don't have access to do that. But typically you should have a pen icon here and you can edit these, right? And you need admin access to do that. But here's how you see Google Ads in this particular report. So you can see here's the date range, last 28 days. And this is how much revenue this particular campaign drove. Organic drove this much, direct drove this much, right? And there you have it. Even shopping free listings drove this much. But the idea was to see how much this particular campaign drove in GA4, and this is how we do that. So really simply, you start off on the homepage, go to reports, click on acquisition, click on traffic acquisition, change this drop down here to session campaign, look for your campaign, and there you have data on it. The thing I wanted to show was if you have a pen icon here, you can edit all of these columns and choose the ones that you actually want to see instead of seeing this kind of default row or this default lineup of things, right? You can make it a little bit more simplified or geared toward what you actually want to see. But for the purpose of this video, here we go, right? This is a Google Ads campaign, and we're seeing that in our traffic acquisition report. Okay, that's what I want to show everybody. Nice and simple. Have a good one.